Good morning, sir. Our topic for today is Cognitive Model 1. My name is Rona Rose. Model Human Processor is a cognitive modeling method developed by Stuart K. Card, Thomas P. Morgan, and Alan Newell in 1983. Used to calculate how long it takes to perform a certain task, it draws an analogy between the processing and storage facility in a computer system, with the perpetual cognitive memory and other motor activities of a computer user. Other cognitive modeling methods includes are parallel designs, GOMS, and keystroke model. The model human processors provides a set of rules for the effective system design, such as support recognition rather than recall, reduce the load on the short-term or working memory, support the production of chunks of items to facilitate memory, frequent activities become automatic and do not require conscious attention for highly practiced responses requiring confirmation of the response with not necessary reduce errors. Subsystem of model human processor. Model human processor is a set of memories and processors together with a set of principles, their principles of operation. There are three interacting subsystems: perpetual system, the model system, and cognitive system. Goals operators, methods, and selection rules. Goals operator methods and selection rules is a method derived from a human-computer interaction and contracts a description of a human performance. The level of granularity will vary based on the needs of the analysis. We can distinguish a few types of GOMS: CPM GOM, NG GOMS L, NC GOMS, but the most popular is KLM GOMS or keystroke level model, where we can empirically check values for the operators like button press, clicks, pointer, movement time, etc. For the detailed description, we define G as goals as a task to do, send email, operators O, all action needed to achieve the goal, amount of mouse clicks to send email. Methods M as a group of operators, move mouse to send button, click on the button. Selection as a user's decisions approach. Move mouse to send button, click on the button, or move mouse, click enter. GOMS is based on the research faced with the end users, and it can be a strong analysis benchmark of a user's behavior. It helps eliminate developing unnecessary action as it's time and cost saving. The goal is what the user wants to accomplish. The operator is what the user does to accomplish the goal. The methods is a series of operators that are used to accomplish the goal. Selection rules are used if there is multiple methods determine how one was selected over the others. Other uses. When analyzing existing designs are to describe how a user completes a task, allow analysis to estimate performance time and predict how the user will learn.
Cognitive complicity theory. What is cognitive complicity? The cognitive complicity definition is how the number of cognitive processes required to complete a task, things that are complicated to perform have more processes involved than simple tasks. Making are involved in writing the paper, such as and tone. Cognitive complicity can also help individuals analyze situations are accurately by allowing them to see shades of nuance and meaning more clearly. Cognitive complicity example. Cognitive that there is an individual who is learning how to cook and opens their new cookbook to a recipe they've been considering. The recipe calls for several ingredients that they never heard of before. So, they must take the time out to research these ingredients, figure out what they are, and search for them at the store. They also discover that they do not have a pan big enough to cook the meal, so they must also purchase a new pan capable of doing so. They also already have the correct pan. The first individual consults the recipe for every step, lightening the prep and cooking processes. Cognitive complicity communication. Cognitive complicity in communication refers to the number of psychological constructs an individual might use to describe someone. This psychological What is cognitive complicity in interpersonal communication? Cognitive complicity interpersonal communication is the ability of a person to notice details about a person's personality. Example of cognitive complicity: Sherlock Holmes is an excellent example. He has many different mental constructs at his disposal to help him analyze complex situations and break them down into simpler ones. Keystroke level models. Keystroke level model, or KLM, is relatively simply tool that allows a designer, researcher, or engineer to predict or estimate how long it will take an experience used to complete a routine task in their software. Model is composed of 6 elements or operators. K. Means keystroke or button press. This operator counts the number of times keyboard buttons are pressed as well as mouse clicks. It counts keys rather than characters, meaning that typing or capital X would be two different key actions, one for pressing shift and another for pressing X. Some experts would classify mouse button clicks as B for greater clarity. P means is pointing with a mouse. It is important to notice that moving the mouse P is a separate action from clicking the mouse, which would be counted as K. H. Homing the hands on the keyboard or other device.